This is what you get for 99 baht. You can also get shawarma here. Pastas right here with stuffed potatoes and mac and cheese right here. This side you can see grilled chicken rice 99, fried chicken rice 99, and you are going to get rice, chicken. In this section you can get food which is being served per 100 grams. When traveling places, food is something which we all take care of because of our health and also for our fitness. Right now I am at Patong, Phuket, and in this video I am going to show you a perfect place where you can actually opt for very good food of all types, whether it's American, Indian, Thai, Japanese or anything, under a very affordable and cheap budget. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video, and if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Right now I am at the Central Patong Mall and we are inside the food pavilion, and this is actually the cheapest place and definitely one of the best places to have food of all types. Yes, I mean all types, from American food to Indian food to Chinese food and all other types. So let me just show you the foods along with the prices. So when you just get inside, you can see here is Singapore chicken rice, and the prices are all given here. It starts from 99 baht and goes on till 155 and more.
Banh mi cay tôm. What is this one? Patong chicken. Huh? What's that?
And just beside it, this is Patong chicken biryani halal. These are the prices. You can add them up along with the chicken biryani, and they are serving a combo here of the chicken biryani. Just with 99 baht you are going to get biryani with grilled chicken rice, grilled chicken or fried chicken. So let's just check this side. This is metro roasted duck. All the prices are given here. With chicken, it's 149 baht for 159 and more. All the prices are given here, as you can see. Just next to that counter is Yummy Yum counter, and along with this you can also get all this kind of food. As you can see, the names and the prices are all given here, and here are a few more. This is Prime Burger, where you can taste out some burger along with some wine. And this is actually the place where you can sit and enjoy your meal. You just need to order food from here and take the food and sit over here and enjoy the meal. There are some other food counter stalls here also. Let me just show you. Namaste Vegetarian.
วัสดีค่ะ
Sadika.
มีเก็ตฟูดค่ะ
All the prices are given here.
ยิ้มด้วยตอนนี้สวยด้วยฟ้าเขาทำขายตามหลังดูสวย
Seafood is also here. You can always taste seafood. And the prices are absolutely insane. $160 baht, deep fried crab meat rolls. Absolutely insane prices. Right here you can also check out prawns, shrimps, chicken and more. So once you finish off with your food at any of these tables, you need to take all your stuffs and give it to this person. She will drop them in this particular dustbin for you. And there is another section right over here. This is mainly for roasted potatoes and stuffs which are mainly roasted along with chicken. You can also try food from here. There are fries, burgers, as you can see, peri peri chicken, and the prices are all given here. And this section is called the Indian Delight. And these are the things you can get here. Chicken tikka, chicken pakoda, butter chicken, all are popular names for us. Tea, coffee, lassi, everything is here. You can try them out. This section serves noodles. As you can see, Racha Thai boat noodles. And here are the prices, which starts from 89 baht and ends at 139 baht. Add-ons are also available. If you are trying this kind of food from any of the restaurants, the prices will definitely be double or even triple at times. Food here is absolutely cheap and really tasty, because I have tried the chicken rice, which I am just going to show you in the menu. In this section they are selling water along with some fruit juice and coconut water. As you can see, the prices are all given here.
Okay.
So this is what you get for 99 baht. Just amazing. You can also get shawarma here, as you can see. Hello. And let me just show you the rates. It's all written here. It starts from 100 baht and goes all till 200 baht to 20 baht. And they definitely make all the food items fresh right here in front of you. There is another section for sandwiches. Grilled pork rib with honey. All the prices are given here, as you can see. It's so damn cheap, as you can see. You can see some seafoods also getting served right here. I guess this is octopus. Shrimps are also here. You can buy each stick with this particular prices. Pizza and spring roll, 200 baht, and you can see the size right here. It's definitely a medium size Domino's or Pizza Hut pizza for you. This section serves tea and coffee. The prices are given here. 50 baht plus 60 baht means 50 for small and 60 for big. You can also buy frozen food right here, as you can see. The prices are all given here, and these are all, I guess, being served on kg format. Yes, 1800 baht per kg, so you have to buy this on per kg basis. In this section you can get food which is being served per 100 grams. All the prices are written here, with barbecue pork ribs to smoked pork shoulders, mixed veggies, chicken kebab, all are served per 100 grams basis. As you can see, there are pastas right here with stuffed potatoes and mac and cheese right here. So all of this food in this particular section is served per 100 grams. So I hope you all found this video informative. This place is actually open from 10:30 AM in the morning till 10 PM at night. So do try out food from this place. This is absolutely cheap and actually cheaper than most of the places in the city. And here you will get all the types of food, as I've already told you in the video. So do try out food from here, because this is a place where I have already tried out food and the taste is exceptional actually. So if you love the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you all again in the next video. Bye bye.